Okay, y'all. Dirt Fishman here, y'all. I'm a Lone Ranger today. My boy ain't here to do the video with me, but I promised y'all that I'd open up some premiums. So I'm gonna open up some premiums for y'all real quick that I showed in the last video. Up first is going to be the BMW M1 Protocar and the Lancer Stagger Group 5. And I'm gonna put them on the turner for y'all too. Man, these things are hard to get into. So first is going to be the BMW. Check that thing out, y'all. That's a nice one there. Yep, I like that one. And I like the number 8 on it too. That's my favorite number. And here goes the Lancer. Another pretty casting. I'm going to be opening up the 69 Ford I can't even pronounce it. Talladega and the Chevelle. Tanada. I don't know why I was having a hard time pronouncing that one. Alright. The first is going to be the Ford. Check that joker out. 427 in it. Another nice ride right there. Then we have the old Chevelle one. And I believe this one is an air car, if I ain't mistaken, because the tempo's only on one side. Check this one out, y'all. Let me know in the comments if I'm right or not, if this is an error or not. See, one side is blank. And the other side's got tempo on it. So let me know in the comments if that's an error car or not. Okay, up next is going to be the Lancer Rally 037 and the 84 Auto Quattro. The first is the Lancer Rally 037. Check that bad boy out. Let the camera focus on it. I was told I was a bad boy back in the day. Very fast at rally. And then we got the Audi. Check that one out, y'all. While you're looking at that one there, I'm opening up the next one. I do not want you to open these things up. Alright, y'all. Then we got the Lamborghini Aventador Coupe. in the silver. And the next one we got the Lamborghini Huracan. Some nice castings here, y'all. Real nice. Okay, that was it for my 2-packs. Now I'm going to the team transports. Up first, we're going to open up the 72 Plymouth Cuda funny car. Another nice castings right here, y'all. Check them out. That's nice right there. And check that out. It comes open. You can see the motor and everything. I like that. Up next is, y'all, we're going to do the Liberty Walk ER34 Super Skyline. I don't know where to put these things at. Check that one there out, y'all. Another nice casting right there. The Super. You know, next we have the Porsche 917 LH, which I think that's left hand. I ain't for sure though, but I love my golf liveries, so that's why I got that one there for, because it says golf on it. I'll take the car out in a minute, y'all. Y'all can see that there. I just want y'all to see it in the trailer. That is pretty cool right there. Here it is out the trailer. Another nice casting. I collect anything with a golf livery on it. I'm gonna go good in my little collections. Well, y'all, I lied to y'all about the 2-packs. I just found 2 more. So I'm gonna open them up. Here will be the Nissan Prototype and Nissan Fairlady. First is going to be the Prototype Z. Check that one out, y'all. Up next is a nice one. Nice one too, y'all. The Fairlady. And up next, y'all, we're going to have the Knight Rider one. Up first is going to be the kit one. That old T-top Firebird. Check that one out, y'all. And the next one's going to be the cart car, which I never heard of. But all these are some cool castings, y'all. Well, y'all, that is it of my premiums that I got to open up for now. So if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, please, and comment. Put in the comments the best one y'all like out of these premiums here. Dirt Fishman out.